This is lesson 11 and we are on day 1. So let's go ahead and talk about our essential question for Click Clack Moo. How can people and animals help each other? So what I want you to do is think about ways that people and animals help each other, and we'll do a check, pause, play here. That's just where you're checking your answer and giving yourself more time to think. So you're going to push pause and play. So every time I say check, pause, play, all you're going to do is push pause, come up with an answer in your head, then push play when you're ready to check. Okay? All right, so some of the things that you might have thought about, how can people and animals help each other? Well, people help animals by feeding them. Animals help people by giving them things like, if it's a cow, they might give them milk. If it's a hen, they might give them eggs. So they have ways of helping each other. So see if you can think of more for tomorrow. Okay, our brain stretch. Here is a riddle for you. Why does a cow have to wear a bell? Why does a cow have to wear a bell? You could do a check, pause, play if you need more time. Her horns don't work. Get it? Okay, so now we're going to listen and learn. Today we're going to count the syllables in words. Remember, syllables are small word parts. So say car, how many syllables? Car. 1. Say cars, how many syllables? Cars. Just 1. Okay, so I want you to try the rest. So we're going to be doing check, pause, plays, so you can stop and check yourself. Say the word, then see the syllable count. Dress, check, pause, play. 1. Dresses, check, pause, play. 2. Dress is. Dress. Truck, check, pause, play. Trucks, check, pause, 1. Trucks, check, pause, play. 1. Wish, check, pause, play. 1. Wish is, check, pause, play. 2. Box, check, pause, play. Box is, check, pause, play. Clock, check, pause, play. Clocks, check, pause, play. Cow, check, pause, play. Cows, check, pause, play. Okay, so if you didn't get them right, you might want to rewind it and try it again. So just test them. So like when you noticed the ES, you might have noticed that it was always 2 syllables. So wish was 1. Wish is, there's 1, 2. Okay, so our new words for this week are another and hard. The chickens wrote another letter. The hard ground does not make a good bed. Go ahead and do a check, pause, play. Read those sentences until you could read them with fluency. Fluency is when you could read it with some flow. So instead of saying, the chickens wrote another letter. So that sounds short and choppy. You want it to flow. The chickens wrote another letter. And when you could read those words with fluency, then I want you to go to the next part. So go ahead and do a check, pause, play until you're ready. Here are the review words for this week. Grow, far, kind, light, heard, some, two, more. Say all the everyday words in a cow voice. So however you think a cow would say that, go ahead and say that. We'll do a check, pause, play here so you could do that. And also try to say these with fluency before you push play again. So you shouldn't have to sound it out by the time you're ready to push play. You should be able to say grow, light, to, far, heard, more, kind, some. So when you can read with fluency, go to the next page. Here's our vocabulary preview. So the orange words are our vocabulary words. I wonder if cows can really understand what I say. The cows gathered around the gate when they saw the farmer. Jonathan was impatient for the movie to begin. Calvin thinks it's impossible to live on the moon. Do you believe wishes can come true? Ben had a problem putting all the books into his small backpack. I demand that you put away your game right now. Dad was furious when he saw the broken window. Okay, so again, go ahead and practice reading these sentences until you can read them with fluency, and then you can push play. When the words end with S, CH, or SH, we add ES to make it plural. So dress, now we have two dresses. So if it ends with any of these, S, CH, or SH, we have to add an ES, not just an S. Add ES to these words, then clap the syllables in the new word. So let's click to see it with this. Okay, try this word. You should have said fox. Now say foxes, and let's clap it. Fox is. Do you hear the two syllables? We go from fox with one to fox is with two. Let's try the next one. Try this word. You should have said match. Match is. So we have match and matches. So let's go ahead and do check, pause, plays for the rest and see how you do. Class. You check it. You should have said classes. Wish. Check, pause, play. Wish is. Buzz. Check, pause, play. Buzzes. Watch. Check, pause, play. Watch is. Bus. Check, pause, play. Buses. Okay, again, I want you to practice reading all these words with fluency. That will help make you a better, stronger reader. So you'll want to read fox, foxes, match, matches, class, classes. And if you want to do the syllables, fox, foxes, match, matches. That might make it a little bit more fun too. So just practice reading, because practicing reading makes you a good reader. Getting out of practicing reading makes you not as fast as everybody else. So we want to work on our fluency and make sure everybody can read fluently. So you did a great job. Thank you very much.